Racing just started. We have out of time break. Quickly to start. Moving up on the outside for speed. Salinas down on the inside. Now is Nueve de Pebrero. Then next on line is Let Me Know Isco. Tremendous Itan is on the outside. Then comes Manila's Queen. Stormtrooper Jaiho, while Fisher's Champ is the trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Salinas for speed in second. Let Me Know is on the outside. Isco. Then comes Nueve de Febrero. Moscovado out of time. Then followed over by entry number 6 Stormtrooper Manila's Queen Jaiho. Tremendous Itan and Fisher's Champ is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo for speed followed by Salinas. Moving up for the outside. Moscovado. Isco. Nueve de Febrero comes next. Let Me Know Stormtrooper out of time. Moving up for the outside. Manila's Queen Jaiho. Tremendous Itan and Fisher's Champ is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch, and it's still for speed. Salinas moving up now. Down on the inside is Isco Jaiho, and as they swing for home, we have Salinas for speed. Isco Jaiho Stormtrooper with about 100 meters of the race. Salinas followed by Isco Jaiho is down on the inside, and finally it's Salinas Jaiho. Then comes Isco, for speed, Stormtrooper, Manila's Queen, and Fisher's Champ.
792-610-1.